Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. My name is Elisa and this is episode 2 of the series where I review your gaming setups. I've got some amazing setups again for today and I cannot wait to show them to you. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's check these setups out. I've got a couple of them selected. Let's start with the first setup of today, and that is going to be... whose shall it be? This is a difficult choice. What setup should I start with? Well, let's just pick the first one in the list, and that is Amir's setup. His setup, it's very, very nice. Yeah, just the colors, the lighting, just the theme, the PC, you know, everything just works. And I love all these Funko Pop boxes at the bottom of his desk. That's very nice. I also like the table leg thingies on top of the shelves, on top of the drawers. Very nice. I love the theme going on here as well, the Spider-Man theme. You can see that he used or reused the colors of Spider-Man in the wallpaper in the rest of his setup. Like you can see the yellow in these lights, you can see the reds. Not many reds, but you can see some reds on the mousepad and the blues. Yeah, it all comes well together. It just works. Just look at that PC. Come on, just look at those nice fans. There's so much attention to detail in this setup and I really love that. I love all the themes he's going for. I love the artwork on the wall. Is that Hedwig from Harry Potter? So here is, yeah, okay, so he is definitely a Harry Potter fan, so I think it is Hedwig inside of his PC. So I've got Gryffindor themed setup now. We've got Harry Potter Funko Pops. Nice mic here as well. I think he switched his keyboard from the one that he used in the previous picture. The other one is on top of his PC. I also love these figurines that hold the controllers up. I should get one of those too. The Divoom here, the one that I have too. I really like the Gryffindor theme actually. Very nice colors and stuff. Now this one is Rick and Morty. Again, all the colors on the tiles. I wonder what these tiles are though. And also he changed the mousepad to a Rick and Morty mousepad. Yes, attention to details. It's just amazing. Yeah, I really love this about his setup. And then another one. This one is Hawkeye. I think that's this TV show. I'm sorry, I don't watch Marvel stuff. Yeah, it's a little secret of mine. I think this is a glass tabletop, by the way. I used to have one as well, but I changed it to a wooden tabletop because the glass really thin and it was also quite old already. Yeah, I just changed it because I didn't trust it anymore and I want to use more table clamps. I plan to upgrade my setup soon. I want to get a monitor arm to hold up my two monitors so it will look much cleaner. And yeah, that's not a good idea to do that on a glass disc, you know, a clamp. Last photo is of his keyboard. So it's a Equinix. I do not know that brand. I mean, I recognize it, but also, what the hell is this sexy beast in the background? Why is it not in the rest of his photos? And why does it look like his setup... It looks like his desk changed position in comparison to the other photos. He's got a TV setup here as well. This keyboard looks amazing. I really like the keycaps. I like the colors. I approve very much of Amir's setup. I have nothing else to say about it actually. It's just so perfect. Yeah, I'm totally not jealous. Okay, now let's go to Dark Matrix Zero. Now this is another one. Yeah. This is a very nice setup as well. She's got a Razer theme going on now. I have the same speakers. They're very nice speakers by Edifier. Again, two keyboards. What's up with people having two keyboards? Somic headset, I have the same one. Corsair mouse, is that the one? Yes, that's the one she's using. And I can see that there's a nice, I think that's a G7X. And I have this same Fifine mic as well, but it's in my other setup. For this setup, I use this Fifine mic. So we got the webcam here. It's a Logitech webcam, I'm pretty sure. I wonder what this is though, on top of her TV. Also, this is a really nice chair. Looks so comfy. You know, I like setups too when they're turned off actually. It's just so clean and so aesthetically pleasing, and that wall, it's just perfect. And this is another keyboard. So she's also got a TV, which would probably mean that she also has a console setup. And you can see it here. So see, she actually has a couch here as well. Again, so much attention to detail again. Like the shelves and the cable management for the light. It's just perfect. Like, I have nothing to say about this setup, to be honest. Now, this is the last photo. This is with an arcane theme. We've got Jinx going on here. Jinx has a lot of neon colors, so of course, Natalie also presented it well in her setup. So you can see all the nice colors and the lighting. This setup is just so nice. I actually really like the backgrounds. I'm a huge Arcane fan as well. I watched that show. I binged that show, though I barely even played League of Legends, but now I'm totally into League of Legends because of how amazing Arcane is. But yeah, I'm a little bit obsessed with Arcane. Just a little. Okay, especially Caitlyn. Yeah, this setup is absolutely amazing. I do not have anything to say about it. Like what can I say about it? Like, I need to review your setups, but it's just me saying how amazing they are. In the last episode, I talked about monitor gaps, and Natalie did that here in her setup as well. But I think it really works because she put her speaker there and her microphone. So yeah, it definitely looks amazing like that. Yeah, you can see it better in this photo. It really works like this monitor gap, though I still wonder if it's comfortable if you have to look like very much to that side. So I really wonder. Chase your dreams. Exactly. Do chase them. Also, what the hell is this? This looks so nice. Now, the next setup is by Engman Gaming. He is a dad and he plays games together with his son. So that's really nice. He asked me to review his setup. So I took a look at his Instagram account. Again, all the Instagram accounts are linked in the description. If you want to check these people out, definitely do. Click on those links and go give them a follow or something. So let's see. Oh, look at that snitch though. Yeah, again a Harry Potter fan. Yeah, well, and Assassin's Creed figurine. Is that inside of his PC? Oh, it is. Holy shit. That is so... How did he fit this huge figurine inside of his PC? How? That's a PC, right? Yeah, it definitely is. You can see the AIO here. What? Okay, that's pretty cool, I gotta say. He's got a lot of monitors going around, so it seems like he's got many different setups. Well, probably also for his son then. So you've got, I think this is a console setup because you can see the PS3 controller here. And I don't know what this setup is. Also RuneScape. This is probably his main setup because the PC is here and it's dual monitors. So yeah, I assume that this is his main setup. Gotta love the figurines, the Last of Us figurine here. The lighting here. Yeah, it looks very nice. Though I don't really have a detailed photo of his setup exactly, like his main setup. I do have this though. I found this photo really nice because, yeah, it's just Red Dead Redemption, you know? I love Red Dead Redemption. So he's got a revolver here and the Red Dead Redemption map. I don't know what this is though. Probably keep some coins in there or human teeth. I really like this photo too of this NES with the Christmas candy bars and mushrooms. Mushrooms for Christmas? Well, why not? The NES. I love the look of the NES. Yeah. Overall, a good setup. Again, the PlayStation lights. You see them so often. I totally don't have them either. Also, is that a Buzz Lightyear helmet? What? That looks so cool. So yeah, overall, very nice setup. It's really nice that you play together with your son. The next setup is by Ronja. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Okay, so Ronja's setup. Yes, a dual monitor setup. Very nice. I love the wallpaper. I love the textured background here. The shelves with a lot of DVDs and Blu-rays and other stuff there. I also like the plants. Also, I like the lights. She probably has those. I have one too. Like something that projects lights on the wall. Very pretty and stuff. Yeah, also some hanging plants here. Nice lights, nice nano leaves here. That's a Razer mouse and then a nice keyboard. That's a wireless Razer mouse, and her PC is on the floor. I do not like it when people put their PCs on the floor, because the floor is where dust is and where dirt is, and your PC is just going to suck up all that shit, and then it's, yeah, your PC is gonna get dirty quicker when it's, in comparison when it's on top of a desk. But if you have no other space, then yeah, then there is no other way than to put your PC on the floor. Though you can raise it a little, put it on some wood or stuff so that it doesn't suck up all the shit that's on the floor. And also you have to clean your PC, obviously. So yeah, this is a very nice setup. As you can see, she doesn't have any space to put her PC anywhere. Also, I love these flowers. Are those the Lego flowers? I think they are. No, they cannot be. Are they? I don't know. It kind of looks Lego-like. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is the Lego flower bouquet. Oh, I want that so bad. Okay, now you just made me want it even more. I also love that it's like a cozy corner, because there's a wall here and she can put like the hanging plants there and then the nano leaves here. Also, this is another shelf, so a lot of storage. Let's take another look at more photos and more colors. And here we have Jinx again. She really is popular. There we have a Switch. That's the Animal Crossing themed Switch. Very nice. I also like this light here. And now it's a HyperX mouse. But that's a Razer mouse. And the Corsair mouse pad here with lighting around it. I talked about it in the last episode. There's always like this cable coming out of it. But yeah. Doesn't really matter. These are Razer headphones. Also that chair. That Secret Lab chair. I'm totally not jealous. Totally not. Oh, where are the Lego flowers? Where are they? The Switch took their place. But this is a very nice Switch though, so I'll forgive you. Okay, now let's check this out. Again, it's so cozy. It's like you're in a little capsule with the wall and then the shelves on top of it and then this cabinet to store stuff in. Oh, the Lego flowers are back. But are those Lego flowers? I'm really not sure. Maybe I'm just embarrassing myself here that I'm talking about these Lego flowers, but all the time they're just real flowers. I should really get a headphone stand too, because it really makes it a lot cleaner on your desk. Now my headphones are just like lying around. This is again a very nice setup. I have nothing to say about it, actually. Very cozy, very nice. I love it. Now the last setup is by Tony. Yeah. Okay, so here it is. Again, with the monitor gap, and he put his microphone there as well, same as Natalie did. And it's absolutely amazing, and now I am thinking about doing it too, because my microphone is always in the way. Got the Elgato key light here, Logitech webcam. This Logitech webcam is very common, wow. He's got another monitor on top of here, and then his absolutely sexy PC. Just look at that vertically mounted GPU, look at the colors, look at the fans, look at the AIO, look at the RAM. It's just so perfect, and look at it, his name is here. Customized mouse mat as well, gameplay by Tony. This honeycomb mouse, and then this nice keyboard, an Elgato Stream Deck. You know, just he's got the same microphone that I have, the V5 one. This is a very nice microphone boom. I think it's by Shure, I'm not sure. See what I did there? Also, the themes, the colors, the lighting, it's again so perfect. Like everything just comes well together. And the headphones mounted on the wall, and then this controller mounted upside down. Very nice. Also, he uses the same lights as Ronja used, so very nice. Now let's take a closer look at that sexy beast. So this is his PC, Lian Li AIO. I think this is also a Lian Li case, but I've got the specs. RTX 3070. Very nice. I wish I had a 3070 too. CPU is the 5800X, so that's a nice hecta-core CPU. Hecta-core? Octa-core CPU. So the AIO is the Lian Li Galahad 360, and the case is the Lian Li 011 Dynamic. Yes, okay, yeah. It's a really sexy case. Oops, I closed everything. So yeah, that's a really sexy case, and that 3070 looks so good. Everything is so perfect. That 3070, yeah, the 5800X, perfect. So we've got some purple themed again here. Look at that PC, come on! Cool amounts of peripherals. I also like the lights coming through the honeycomb design, that's very nice. And then some nice chocolate by Chocolonely. Tony's Chocolonely. His name is Tony, you know. Okay. I see what you did there, Tony, I see what you did there. I really have nothing else to say about this setup. It's just that it's perfect. All these setups were definitely. So that's all for today, actually. That's all the setups I have for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I for sure did enjoy looking at all these sexy setups. Let's take my glasses off here. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with episode 3 when it comes out, as well as the other videos that I will upload in the future. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and I really hope that I will see you in the next one. So goodbye!